What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the 13-inch thickness planer from Vevor. It might just be the perfect upgrade for your shop, or it might be the fall of woodworking as we know it. Either way, I'm going to be discussing today how it's held up over a 12-month period. So sit back, relax, and let's get into the video. I purchased this planer over a year ago, and I've put it through its paces with different types of wood, and it's been able to handle pretty much everything I've ever thrown at it. The motor runs smoothly, and even though it's cranking at 23,500 RPM, the noise level is pretty manageable. But what really impressed me with the planer is the consistency of the cut. I get a nice smooth finish with almost zero tear out, even on harder woods like maple and black walnut. It seems to handle all types of woods. The two-blade system does a great job of delivering clean cuts, and because it's a thickness planer, it's perfect for trimming down your boards to an even thickness. Whether you're working on something small, such as a DIY project, or something a little bigger, it'll save you a ton of time and effort. And I've had this a long time now, and though I don't use it every day, I still have the original blades running in it, and they are still very sharp. The 1800 watt motor gives the planer the power it needs to tackle even the thicker boards. Whether you're doing rough cuts or fine finishings, the motor does an excellent job without overheating or bogging down. Next, the speed at the 23,500 RPM. The planer rips through boards fast, and while high RPMs can sometimes lead to rougher cut, this one so far for me has held its own. It cuts through softwoods and hardwoods alike with minimal effort, and the results speak for themselves. So now a little bit about build quality. The thickness planer has a sturdy construction with a solid heavy duty frame. It feels stable even when you're feeding through larger pieces of wood. Plus, setting it up is real simple. It's just a few little adjustments and turns of the hand crank and you're good to go. So let's break down the pros and cons real quick after I've been testing this thing for about 14 months now. So first, the pros, and there's quite a few. It's very powerful. The high RPMs make it ideal for both DIYers and professionals in my opinion. The quality is very good. The smooth finish is exactly what you need in a thickness planer. It's easy to set up and use, no complicated adjusting. Just plug it in and set your thickness and you're ready to go. The build quality, again, it's very heavy duty. It's about 54 to 60 pounds. So I have it on a rolling cart. I recommend if you're going to move it in and out to do the same, or maybe if you have room in your shop, mount it to a table. But for the cons, the dust collection port, it works pretty decent. It would be nice if it was kind of angled. It's in the center, so I just kind of angle my hose out of the way. But other than that, it's worked pretty good so far for me. And again, not being the lightest tool ever, it's hard to carry it in and out of your shop. Just, at 54 or 60 pounds, it could get tiresome at some point pulling it in and out. The feed rollers on the top and both of the fold down doors are very nice also when using larger, longer pieces, especially if you're working by yourself. If you run it all the way through long and nobody's with you, you just pick it up and run it back across the top on the rollers, and I think that's very nice. Plus the rollers on the doors also help it to feed in and out. So what do I think about it? Well, honestly, I'm very impressed with the machine. For the price, you're getting a lot of performance and a lot of quality. The cuts are smooth, the motor's very powerful, and it handles all types and varieties of wood without skipping a beat. So if you're looking for a solid planer that doesn't break the bank, this one is definitely worth the consideration. I'm in no way affiliated with Vevor, and I was not hired to do this video. I purchased this planer on my own, and I have been just proud of it this whole time. I've enjoyed having it. Thinking about getting one of these for your shop, I highly recommend it. And I will drop a link to it in the description. The price is still relatively about the same as what I paid for it. It's around about $258 if I'm not mistaken. So, and that's as of March the 5th, 2025. So thank you guys. Thanks for stopping by. I greatly appreciate it. Your support means the world to me. I enjoy doing these videos. It's a great little thing to get into, and you make a lot of woodworking friends. So, but I sure appreciate it. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.